Anywho, yeah, yeah. I have a secret to tell you. It's the one in Big Trader and I'm live. What the fuck is you talking about? Anyways, what's good, YouTube? Hold on, dog. Oh, my dog. Actually, give me 1 second. I need to grab some. What's good, dog? It is currently February 9th, Friday, 3 p.m. And it was just not a great week, man. Started off strong, and we did not hit our weekly goal, which is not too bad considering next week is CPI and the power of the risk to reward ratio. I mean, we should be in decent hands. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But that brings me to my next topic. Before we actually begin, I'm live. I've tuned into a live stream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, man. Before we get into it, I'm live streaming just because one, I wanted to, and two, it's easier than to having to like record the video and upload the video and the video be shitty. So yeah. With that being said, let's get straight into it, man. Let's go over a couple things. Mainly, the main points I want to talk about are what to do for next week. One of the most important things that I probably struggled with is letting my trade hit TP. I watch these other forex influencers, and I try my best to like in some way, shape, or form kind of copy them, but not necessarily their everything, just a little bit because like obviously they're doing something right, and one of those being not having a TP. I don't set my TP because if you can get more out of the market, why not get more out of the market? You feel me? So I don't set a hard TP within my broker. I set one on TradingView. Like for example, I'll set one on TradingView, like this, boom, TP hit, whatever, and then that's that. But other than that, I mean, I don't really have a TP. So yeah, I mean that's the first thing is I have a TP set. I have the idea of a TP in mind, and let's just first off, I want to say, if you, as a trader, as a beginning trader, as a starting out trader, let your trades go to where you think they're gonna go. Let's say you don't have a TP, because I don't want to say let your trade hit TP if you don't set a TP. Well, me personally, I don't set a TP, but let your trades go to where they want to. For example, let's talk about today. Weird. First of all, so let's talk about today's trade really quick. This is exactly what I did, right? I thought we were in bias for upwards direction movement. So I have an area down here, low and a retest, correct? Correct. In my mind, I want to see a new low be created. In actuality, I want to see this low right here get retested and rejected. You see this pattern right here? I've talked about this pattern before. If you haven't already, please go watch my previous video. If you haven't already, please go see it. Please go watch it. If you haven't already, liquidity grab, boom, it comes down, order block, all the way up. And I will take this trade every single day. I will take this trade. I just know, man, like one or two things is happening here. Listen, one or two things is happening. You're either coming up, rejecting, and going down, or you're coming up and going up. Like, I will every day. I will take that trade. Oh, whoopsies! Every day I would take that trade. Every single day. So here's what happened, right? I'm in bias for. I'm in bias for buys. I'm in bias for buys. And I want to see a new low get created. I'm thinking we're gonna come down here. We didn't come all the way down here. In fact, we came right here. Let me explain what happened this morning. I look at I try not to focus on news because it clouds my judgment. Other than CPI and NFP, which I'm already in favor of. The market makers already know what's going on, so they do what they want to do based on what's already there. Whether we know what NFP is going to say, they know, or they already have the market planned out. So I quickly glance at the news every morning just to know, is it a high impact news day? Is it not? Do we have a speech? Do we not? Etc. So I look at the thing. No news today. I was a little upset yesterday because if you watch yesterday's video, I'm a little upset because with no news, no economical news, nothing to drive the market. But then I was watching yesterday's video and I saw the pattern, the pattern I will take every day. So let's talk about, what was this? 11 o'clock, 12, 16. Okay, so let's talk about this. I already knew it was coming down, right? So yesterday, after watching yesterday's video, um, I placed a sell, like I placed a sell because, like, why not? Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. So why not? Excuse me. Um, I think this is what my trend line looked like. It broke out of the trend line, right? Oh my goodness. Let me just delete this really quick. So it broke out of my trend line, so I take a sell. Stop loss ended up getting hit. So I'm like, okay, whatever. It came up here and then went in my favor anyways. Because I knew it had to come down. I wake up this morning, up at 4. Actually, I woke up a little later today. Woke up at like 4:30, 4:45ish. So I wake up this morning. We're down here. My trade's closed. What the fuck? Um, so that's that, right? Then now I'm looking for a low. What I want to see is it come down here. I knew to wait until about 6:30ish because like sometimes they manipulate and create lows and kind of do that thing. So I thought we were gonna come down here. Should have known that being that it was a Friday. Why expect that shit? Why expect that shit? We had this aggressive move downwards. 6:30 hit, right? 6:30 hit, and this is where we're at. I'm thinking it was gonna come further. The weirdest thing happened with news. Like there was no news, and I'm guessing I saw something on another channel that said CPI adjustment. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe that's that, right? CPI adjustment. It goes like I was in bias for buys. And mind you, hold on, time out, because mind you, I also like this was also one of my AOIs, areas of interest was this low, retested, but it got rejected as I was thinking it was gonna go further. 6:30 hit, the news came out, and the shit just went up like immediately. Hit TP. There was nothing I could do. Like so, yeah, that was that. To be honest with you, um, that's what happened this morning. It's okay. I did catch a little bit, but like what I first caught was put me as a loss because I bought in like right up here or something. So that was earlier. And then I had another one. This was another AOI. It came down, didn't touch it all the way, but I entered like damn near right here, and up it went. Got out pretty early, but yeah. So that's kind of what happened today. Another thing is I do want to talk about what I hope to see next week. What I hope to see next week. First off, I hope to plan CPI accordingly. I hope to um, I hope to get CPI correct. Um, but I may have lost trades today. I may have lost trades this week. I'm in the red for the week. For the week, not the month. Um, so I'm hoping and part of that is because I pull trades early and I don't let them hit TP. Um, I don't know what it is. Something's getting clouded. So I will make a few adjustments. Excuse me. I will make a few adjustments within myself. But at the end of the day, I mean, I'm gonna my I have a couple goals for next week. I'm gonna trust my plans because let me tell you something. If I let my trades play out this week how I thought they were going to play out, I would have been perfectly fine, well above where I was supposed to be. So, first things first. I may or may not trade Monday. It just depends on what I see. I don't trade Mondays. One, that's like a day where it follows that's like a swing trader's day. You know what I mean? Like the charts and shit, they're planned off a swing trade. Like that's not a scalper's day. There's no real volume in the market. However, it's not a bad day. So we'll see what happens Monday. Tuesday CPI. Let me explain something. Tuesday is CPI, right? So with that being said, I plan to one get CPI correct. I plan to let all week. I plan to either let my trades hit TP or stop loss and only take one trade a day, because that's all it should really take with the 1-to-3 ratio. That's all that it would take. Um, and then do I have any? Hold on, I'm sorry, I don't have my dashboard put up. But with the 1-to-3 ratio, that's really all it'll take, right? So, excuse me, sorry guys. And then so I plan to let my trades hit TP. I plan to get CPI correct, and I plan to trust my process. Trust my process. I think yes. If I let my trades hit TP, I would have been perfectly fine all week. All week, I would have been perfectly fine. You know, and I'm just really disappointed in myself. I let psychology get in the way. I just didn't follow I just wasn't as disciplined as I could have been. Now are we in a bad position? No. Will we be in a bad position if CPI goes south? Yeah. If CPI goes south, we will most definitely be in a bad position. Um, Another reason. All right, so check this out, right? Y'all know the cup and handle pattern. Y'all are aware, correct? Y'all have cup. Y'all have a cup. Bloom, bloom. Play a little bit, whatever. All right, boom, cup. We'll go up here. Retest. Handle. Boom. Now here's another pattern that I like. Falling wedge. That's pretty much what I saw somewhere. Oh no, I saw it last night. Falling wedge. I saw it last night. Excuse me. I saw the rising wedge last night, and that's what made me. So we're down here, right? We're down here in this area. I I sold right here, so we should have been okay, I guess. But I was impatient. It was 9 o'clock, so it wasn't even London session. Look, see, just not following my trading plan is getting if you don't stay disciplined, you're not gonna make it far. So we have a falling wedge. I do believe Sunday it'll probably end up doing something a little like this, and because it's Sunday, we'll probably see something like this. But it's a falling. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I take it all the time. I take the trade. All the time I take the trade. If it'll load. Oh, excuse me, guys. So pretty much, I take it all the time. I take it all the time. Resistance. wedge. We'll do, yeah, not, well, that's not really a wedge. We'll do it right here because that's a significant ass low. So we'll do it from right here. And then boom, wedge. Take the trade, take the sell, right? So if you take the sell, that's like what, 40, 50 pips? What the fuck? What the hell's going on? Anyways, if you take the sell, that's like 40, 50 pips right here. Right? Oh shit, I'm tripping. But anyways, I take the trade all the fucking time. So what I expect to happen on Sunday, maybe even Monday, because Sunday is, market opens at 3. It's fucking Tokyo session. Nobody trades that shit. Tokyo session is the slowest fucking session. No real volume in the market. I expect to see maybe a little something like this, or a significant low get created right here. Honestly, I don't believe it. I don't see it coming up. Oh my fucking god, bro. This fucking shit. I'm finna get tight. You just give me tight. Yeah. No. Anyways, sorry. I don't expect it to, because on a 15-minute, this isn't a significant low. So I expect, honestly, I probably expect to see something like this, or maybe this, and then this. And at that point, if it comes down here, if I let's say it's Sunday, London session, 11 o'clock, no, 1 o'clock, because I don't trade. It's the weekend. Sunday, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Depending on if I'm trading Monday, I'll probably be up. If I see it come down here, I'm definitely taking the buy. And then if I see it break this trend line, I'm taking another buy. Fuck is he talking about? But yeah, other than that, all I want to do next week is follow my trading plan and stay disciplined and bank on CPI because I low key need it. Other than that, what else was I supposed to talk about? I did live because I just didn't want to record. So with that being said, what else was there? It's just, first of all, let your trades run, gang. Just let your trades run. Let your trades run. Have discipline. Oh my fucking goodness. And focus. Lock in. Make sure your blood is warmed up. And stick to the plan, honestly. Other than that, I mean, I don't really have much to say. I will say though that I do have a Discord. Link will be in the description down below. Please give me some more members to my Discord. My shit getting lonely in this bitch. I'll probably go live on there, honestly. That one would be a separate thing. I might have to pay for that. Because if y'all want my signals, y'all gonna have to pay for that. I mean, shit. I don't know what to tell you. What else? Yeah, I mean, that's really it. Like, let trades hit TP, trust the process, focus on the plan, stay disciplined, and also just have faith. Have faith in the trade. Have faith in the trade. If you don't see a trade, you don't see a trade. You cannot. What's better than losing a trade? Missing a trade. A missed trade is a win, honestly, because you missed out on losing money. Like, it's better to miss a trade than it is to lose a trade. So, I mean, that's really it. Those are my goals for next week. Because had I listened to myself and just focused on myself and not let the outside, like, I was in the Discord and I be chatting in the Discord sometimes when I trade. So while I'm in the Discord, I be talking and looking at them and shit and whatever, and like, I'm focused on what they, like, I'm just focused on everything but what I got going on. Tuesday, NFP came, did my own thing, did perfectly fine. I start like, oh, and not focus on the news because I already have it written down. Like if you're a firm believer that the market is gonna do whatever it's gonna do, and that the shit is already planned out, don't focus on the news. The only two that you should genuinely be worried about is probably NFP and CPI. They can be choppy sometimes. That's really it. But yeah, Discord link will be in the descriptions of my videos, not my lives, but in my video. Well, I might put them in my lives. Honestly, I might. But other than that, man, I appreciate you tuning in. 20 minutes, not too bad. And yeah, we'll see you next time. I may or may not go live for CPI. I might go live Monday, honestly. If I trade, if I trade on Monday, I'll go live Monday just because I just like Monday is one of them days where I don't trade. So if I am gonna trade, that'll probably be the day. Cause like I try and stay out of like going live and trying to trade for me is just I don't know why, but it's just distracting. It knocks me off balance. So that's why I post videos after the fact. And I'll probably be the most transparent channel on YouTube. I'm not a profitable trader yet. Have I been in profit? Yes. Am I in profit? Yes. Have I had withdrawals? Yes. But can I live off Forex? No, not yet. I'm coming. I'm up next. But anyways, yeah, so if I do end up going live, it'll most likely be Monday. Other than that, just like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned. Hopefully, I put more energy into editing my videos. Honestly, I don't feel like it's a trading video. Like, I just don't feel like there's much editing that needs to go into it other than like cutting pieces so you make the video shorter. Like, that's really just about it, honestly. I'll probably put more effort into my thumbnails though if I learn how to make thumbnails. Excuse me. If I learn how to make thumbnails, I'll probably do that. But I don't really have much to say. That's a recap of the week, man. We took some losses, took some wins. You gotta remember though, it's a part of the game. One bad day does not make you a bad trader. Let me lock in for next week. I know the last week of November will probably be really good. Or I mean, not November. Sorry. The last week of February will probably be really good as well. So let me just lock in. Let's see. Do we have any? Let's see. Yeah, see, that's my shit. Let's see. Oh wait, this right here. Forex Factory. Let's talk. Let's take a look at the last week of November. Or I mean February. Fuck, my dumb ass. Let's just look really quick. So nothing, barely anything on Monday. I mean there's volume, but Richmond manufacturing. Okay. Let's check out Wednesday. GDP for the quarter. PMI for China, I think. I forgot what CNY was. Anyways, focus on. So GDP for Wednesday. It's not looking too great, honestly. Let's check Thursday. Hopefully we got something Thursday. Okay. And we have a speech on. No. Bro, what? Oh shit. Oh wait, never mind. Friday's looking pretty decent. Okay, bet. But yeah, so the last week should be pretty decent. Next week should be pretty good, and just stay disciplined. If you see a good trade, you see a good trade. If you don't take the trade, Damien. Stick to the plan, man. Discipline, and then the rest will soon follow. Fall in love with the process, and the rest will follow. I appreciate you watching. Hope you guys have a great Saturday. I mean Friday. Peace out. Yeah, and like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day.